Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to log in PC or laptop with PIN without clicking the enter key in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, we need to bring up our settings. So by that, navigate at the bottom search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, please wait until a BASMA should appear, and once it's here, please click on the Open option to continue. So eventually you will be redirected to the settings. So from here, please proceed to the left side of it and look for an option called Accounts. So under the Accounts, we need to proceed with the account settings, and there you need to locate for the sign in options. And since we'd like to log in our PC or laptop with PIN, okay, without hitting or clicking the enter key, all you need to do is you need to select with this one, which is PIN Windows Hello. So I have already set up my PIN, but if you, in your case, you haven't still yet, you would be able to see there set up instead of this two option. Okay, so you would be able to click on the setup, just have to click on it, and the moment you do it, we just have to wait. We'd be able to see a window like this without this one, because I have already set a pin as what I have said earlier. So you would be able to see two two options there where it will allow you to put your new pin. Just type your new pin and confirm your pin. Okay, once you have confirmed it, just click on the OK. Okay, and if you would like to include letters and symbols, you can click on this box and modify a pen which goes with the letters and symbols as well. So click on OK, and the moment you do that, we just have to close the window and navigate to the start icon. Click on your power menu options and go with shutdown. Once you have logged in your PC with your PIN, the moment you've typed it, you don't need to hit the enter key since it will be automatically open the moment you have typed your PIN correctly. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.